Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in. And it just fill in on all of this gap, and then we have the white one fill already, and I'm gonna do this one in blue and the other ones in blue. The reason I'm using a foil is just fun because it has a really cool kind of a little bit of background. So you can have fun playing with this and add colors on. Okay, let's wipe that one. Let me see if I miss anything. And add some of this in. You can fill probably this part in blue as well. You can set, instead of this, you can do red as well, just because we have a red background already. So I will do blue and red and white. But you can do more red if you would like to. So now you're happy with this. Want to key this one for 30 seconds, flash key. I'll tap a couple right here. Great. Clean my brush. So I can start doing some crystal on. If you want crystals, you can add some on. If you don't, you can just like finish in the center of the flowers as well. And we're gonna go into condensed glue gel. Really thick density. I am going to apply our entire nails, and we're going to put some crystals on this. It's really thick density, so you'll make sure you blend it really nice. And we're going to the no wipe top coat, the second steps of the 3-step method, and the third step is precision glue. Condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and precision glue. So we're floating on the top of uncured condensed glue gel. And we're gonna do some I need the white crystal with the clear crystals. So I am going to using this is Mother Red. If you're happy with this, you can absolutely cure it, but if you want to add more crystals on, you can't. I might just add just a little bit. Just a few crystals. Tiny, please. And same thing with this. You can add beads on if you don't want to. Absolutely, totally fine. It looks super cute. And I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Make sure you change that.